So how do you retain your old customer? A customer that be patronizing you for a long time stop patronizing you, and then the person not come again. Probably you notice that the person run because of the price. You know, I told you in case of price, yes, the new year. And you now find out the person because of your price. So what do you do now? Reduce the price for the customer. Yes. Reduce, that's your old customer. So that old customer that patronizes you well, that is one of your major customers. Reduce the price for them. Yes. For the first time, second time, let them feel comfy coming again. And then you can spike the price to the normal high the price used to be before. That's how you do it. Yes, and it's your policy. I studied policy myself on how we go in this business. Yes, but the things you do, you must no for this side, for this side. You get. So even though your price is 1,000 naira for washing a polo or 500 for washing a polo, and then your customer before is patronizing before, and then you do it for me 400 naira or 600 naira or 800 naira. When it comes again, for a long time now, you'll not be seeing the person. Reduce the price to the normal price of 800 naira or 400 naira or 600 naira for the first 2 times the person will come. And then, since you have built trust with you again, you will not spike the price to the normal price of charging everybody. You will not be aware of it. Yes, you will not be aware of it. So many of the times your customer will not patronize you, will not come again. Go to meet them. Someone asked me, sir, how do you meet my customer? Go and meet them. Don't be afraid. Don't be ashamed. It's your business. If they come, you have money. So go to the customer, go to the place, go to his estate, go to his lodge. Ask him, boss, how far I don't tell you. I really this up now. I want to see you again. No. I came to my HQ one of the day. One of my major customers, I asked my staff, did they come here again? I said, then they come again. No. I kept quiet. Then the next day, he drove past with clothes to and I'm tracing to another laundry store. For that person, I was wondering. First, second time, the third time I went to his place, and then I met him at home. We say pleasantries. Boss, I didn't I don't know. Where did something go? What happened to you? What did that happen? You know, since I get patronized now, they're one of my major customers. But now I know they come my store again. I offend you, myself offend you. The price too much. Say no, boss, no, you know the thing, money not there now. And now later find out that because of the price. So that's why I'm giving you this tip now. And that's why the price, don't worry, come back, I'll do. So when I explained to the next 2 days or the next week, he now came back and patronized me. And then I raised the price for him to where it used to be. You get. So when he come again, the same thing. Then the fourth, fifth time, and then I take the price to the normal height. And he didn't get, he was not aware at first. Then later, he now get to know. But he didn't say anything because why? We are built cost again. So this is the tip for you. Do the same thing. Don't allow your old time customer to slip your hand because of your price. You have a policy. This is how you wash. But sometimes you lower your standard to meet up for the meantime, and then you go up again. Once again, this is Pans Laundry Academy. Pans Academy International. If you are there, you want to start a laundry business, or you are wishing to have a laundry business, you don't know how it goes. First of all, do work with the question that I'm interested, or send me a DM that I'm interested, and you can be registered into the academy. You can register into the academy as a basic, as a professional, or as an accredited student. Yes, we can get all around for you. If you want to build a business to another dimension, we are here to help you to grow. Thank you for watching. Bye.